We're thrilled to bring you another episode that dives into the timeless wisdom of our elders. Today, we're bringing you 20 more rare, intriguing, and potentially life-changing secrets from our grandmothers that you might not be familiar with. These pearls of wisdom helped our grandparents live frugally, make the most of their resources, and enjoy a rich and fulfilling life. So settle in, get comfortable, and prepare to be inspired by these frugal living secrets. Secret 1. Our grandmothers didn't believe in a throwaway culture. When clothes got old or worn out, they didn't immediately toss them into the trash. Instead, they'd repurpose these clothes into charming, cozy quilts. A simple and practical solution, right? Not only did they prevent waste, but they also created something valuable and meaningful. Secret 2. Grandma didn't rely solely on modern refrigeration to keep her produce fresh. She had a much more natural and sustainable way to store fruits and vegetables, the root cellar. This age-old method of food storage helped her keep food fresh for months without the use of electricity. Secret 3. In Grandma's days, soap making was a common household activity. Not only did it save money, but it also ensured that the soap she and her family used was free of harmful chemicals. She would make soap using natural ingredients like lye, animal fats, and essential oils. Secret 4. Water conservation was second nature to Grandma. She would often collect rainwater using barrels or other large containers. This saved water and also reduced the water bill. The collected water could be used for various purposes like watering the garden, washing clothes, or even cleaning the house. Secret 5. Grandma was a pro at composting. Kitchen scraps, yard trimmings, and other organic waste were never wasted. They were composted and used to enrich the soil in her garden. This practice not only reduced waste, but also resulted in healthier plants and a more bountiful garden. Secret 6. When it came to minor ailments and health issues, Grandma often turned to home remedies before rushing to the doctor. Using herbs, spices, and other natural ingredients, she could treat common ailments like colds, coughs, and headaches. These remedies were not only effective, but also saved her time and money. Secret 7. Instead of using energy-consuming dryers, Grandma preferred to dry clothes in the open air. Clotheslines were a common sight in Grandma's backyard. This method was not only energy efficient, but also kept clothes smelling fresh and feeling soft. Secret 8. Grandma often milled her own grains at home. She knew that fresh milled grains were healthier and tastier than their store-bought counterparts. Milling her own grains also allowed her to have control over the texture and freshness. Secret 9. Every room in Grandma's house was kept sparkling clean, not with expensive chemical-laden cleaning products, but with her homemade cleaners. She made these using simple, natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. Secret 10. When it came to preserving and flavoring meat, Grandma had her tricks. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Grandma would smoke meat in a backyard smokehouse using a variety of woods to add different flavors. This method not only preserved the meat for longer periods, but also made every bite an explosion of flavors. Secret 11. Old clothes that became too worn out or out of style got a whole new life in Grandma's home, transformed into beautiful, unique rugs. She would take these old fabrics, cut them into strips, and then weave or hook them into rugs. This way, not a single piece of fabric went to waste, and the house got a new, charming decor item. Secret 12. Bugs and pests were never a problem in Grandma's house, and she didn't need to buy expensive, chemical-filled sprays to keep them at bay. She had her recipes for homemade insect repellents. These were made from common household items like vinegar, herbs, and essential oils. They were effective, economical, and safe for both the family and the environment. Secret 13. Grandma's kitchen was a place of magic. Her Depression-era recipes still make our mouths water. These meals, made from simple and inexpensive ingredients, were packed with nutrition. Not to mention, they were incredibly flavorful. These recipes taught us that a delicious meal doesn't have to come from a fancy restaurant or require expensive ingredients. Secret 14. If you've ever tasted Grandma's pickles or fermented veggies, you know they are truly something special. Grandma would use a bounty of her garden and local market, along with her pickling and fermenting skills, to create these delicious treats. It was her way of making the harvest last longer and adding variety to meals. Plus, fermented foods are full of healthy probiotics. Secret 15. Did you know that wood ash was considered a valuable resource in Grandma's time? Yes. The ash from her fireplace had many uses. It could be used to clean silverware, giving it a brilliant shine. It could enrich compost piles, providing valuable nutrients to the garden. It could even be sprinkled around the perimeter of the garden to deter pests. Secret 16. The delightful array of jams, pickles, and sauces in Grandma's pantry was all thanks to her mastery of home canning techniques. By canning the surplus produce from her garden and local market, she ensured that she had a variety of nutritious, tasty food to enjoy all year round. Plus, there's something extra special about the taste of homemade jams and pickles. Secret 17. Before refrigeration became widespread, preserving meat was a tricky task. But Grandma knew just how to tackle it. She used a method called curing, where she preserved the meat with salt. This not only increased the shelf life of the meat, but also gave it a distinct, delicious flavor. Secret 18. The soft glow and soothing scent of homemade candles were a common feature in Grandma's house. She made these candles herself using basic materials like beeswax or tallow and wicks made from cotton twine. Making candles at home can be an economical and enjoyable pastime. Plus, these candles make for great, personalized gifts. Secret 19. Grandma was a master at multi-purposing everyday household items. For instance, she used baking soda for so much more than just baking. It was her go-to solution for a variety of cleaning tasks, from scrubbing kitchen utensils to cleaning the bathroom tiles. She also used it as a natural deodorizer and even for personal care tasks like teeth whitening and skin exfoliation. Secret 20. And finally, one of the most important secrets from Grandma was her financial wisdom. She knew the importance of saving money and budgeting. She often kept a ledger, diligently recording all income and expenses. This way, she had a clear overview of her finances. She also understood the importance of distinguishing between wants and needs, and she knew when to treat herself without breaking the bank. This mindset enabled her to live comfortably even on a limited income. In conclusion, our grandmother's wisdom is a treasure trove of frugal living secrets that can help us live a more sustainable, economical, and satisfying life. We hope these tips inspire you to embrace some old-fashioned frugality in your modern lifestyle. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wisdom-filled videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.